Hello, my name is Jassaf. I was born in Afghanistan and grew up in Germany. And today I tried the first time this Oculus Rift Meta Quest virtual reality. And I saw a beautiful, colorful landscape, which was quite impressive. I saw a lot of objects flowing around in the huge room, which had a super impression on me, actually. And the most impressive thing was I was standing in front of some abysses, and I saw down and I felt like being afraid of heights, even not being really in this area. And I tried to find this object, but couldn't find, but still saw a lot of objects which I could touch and move a bit around, and it was a quite impressive experience.